Hi, hello. Welcome to second class of the chapter identities. In the first class, we learned how to multiply two binomials by using formula method and direct method also. So in this class, we are going to discuss about product of sum on difference of two terms of binomials. Here also, we are multiplying two binomials but using different formula. So let us see which is the formula. So that is x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. This is formula. So that is, so look at here. First term both are same. Second term both are same. So first term same, second term same. In the first binomial plus sign is there. In the second binomial minus sign is there. So in case if it is both are same, so what is the result? X square minus y square. So we are going to example, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2. Here first binomial and second binomial. Look at the terms of the binomial. So first term of first binomial x, first term of second binomial x, both are same. So look at the second term. 2 is there, 2 is there. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Only in this case we are going to apply this formula. I think you understand. So first term same, second term same. In here plus is there, here minus is there. If they are given ulta also, minus here, plus here also, we are applying this formula. No problem. There is no change in the statement. So how to apply this formula? X plus y, x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So first you check the values. What is the, in the place of x is there? Compare. In the place of x only is they are given in question. In case they are given m, n, p, q, any letter, you can replace that letter. Means if they are given m means x is equal to m. If they are given p means x is equal to p. What they are given in the question, first you have to tally the question and write the answers. In the place of y, what they are given? 2. Here also check. Y is equal to 2, x is equal to x. Here x is equal to x, y is equal to 2. So how to apply? X square means what? In the place of x, what is there given? You can replace here. X only they are given. If they are given m means you have to write m. If they are given p means you have to write p. So in this problem they are given x only. That's why I am writing x. Minus. What is the place of y is there here? 2. That is 2 square. X square means x square. 2 square means what? You have to multiply 2 number into 2 times. Base is 2, power is 2. So we have to multiply base according to the power. That means base we have to multiply 2 times. 2 2s are 4. What is the answer? X square minus 4. So if I am taking different, suppose I am taking m plus 5 and m minus m plus 5, m minus 5. So first terms are same, second terms are same. In between plus and minus sign is there. You can go directly x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square formula. What is the place of x is there here? M. In the place of y, 5. Then you can easily apply here. In the place of x, what is that given in the question? M square. In the place of y, 5 they are given. 5. M square means m square. 5 square means what? You have to multiply 5 2 times because power is 2. So that's why you have to multiply 5 2 times. Here what you are doing mistake is 5 2s are 10. You are writing that mistake. So don't direct multiply 5 2s are 10. This 5 you have to multiply 2 times. 5 5s are what? 25. That is m square minus 25. So next problem. 2a plus 5b, 2a minus 5b. Look at the first term, 2a. Here first term is 2a. Understand? second term 5b, here also second term 5b, plus and minus. So in this case we can go directly formula x plus y, x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So this formula you can apply. Suppose if I am taking a plus b, a minus b, what happened? A square minus b square. So not only this is the formula. If you are writing any letters, suppose m plus n, m minus n means what happens? This is m square minus n square. So here in the place of x, what is that? 2a. In the place of y, what is there here? 5b. Just comparing the values. After comparing, you can substitute in the formula. That is, in the place of x, what is that? 2a whole square minus. In the place of y, what is that? 5b whole square. You have to write full term. Okay. So that is. So this power is applicable for both numerical value and variable value. That is 2 square means what? 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means 4. A square means a square minus 5 square means what? 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 b square. That's all. Very simple, and it is very useful for further solving problems also. So you can learn this formula. Next problem, 2a plus 3, 2a minus 3 into 4a square plus 9. So while they are given this type of problems, how we are going to solve this problem? So look at this product. First term same, second term same. In between plus and minus is there. So for this multiplication, you can go for direct formula, that is x plus y, x minus y is equal to what? X square minus y square. So what is the place of x is there here? 2a is there. In the place of y, what is there? 3 is there. So first we are going to do this product. So that is x square means what? 2a whole square. In the place of y, what is there? 3. 3 whole square. 2 square means what? 2 into 2. 4. A square means a square. Minus 3 square means what? You have to multiply 3 into 3. Not 3 2s are 6. If you write 3 2s are 6 means it is wrong answer. So 3 into 3 what? 9. So what is the product while we are doing this two multiplication? That is 4a square minus 9. Next, you have to get down this term. 4a square plus 9. 4a square plus 9. Look at these two terms. First term is what here? 4a square. Here 4a square. Second term will be what? 9. Here also second term 9. Here minus is there, here plus is there. Again you can go for this formula. So that is what? X plus y, x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So still now we do until this. So what is the result? 4a square minus 9. So next term you can get down. So you have to multiply these two multiplication. In the place of x now changing the value. In the place of x, what is that? 4a square is there. Write 4a square. In the place of y, what is that? 9. So what is the formula? X square minus y square. What is x square here? X is there here. What is x is there here? 4a square is there. Don't forget square here. You have to write square inside and outside also one square because x square. X value is 4a square. Bracket whole square minus. What is y value here? 9 whole square. Here this square is applicable for both the terms. 4 square means what? 4 into 4. 4 4 how much? 16. Here square is there. 2 2s are what happened? A to the power of 4 minus 9 square means what? 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. This is the last step of this answer. Still now we will learn two formulas, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab in the first class. In today's class we will learn this formula, that is x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So we can sit in home and complete the exercise of the regarding about two formulas. Thank you for watching.